Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. As soon as we come in, let's share it live, get it rolling. Good morning. Good morning, Bedman, Davy. Welcome in. I'm sharing the live myself right now. If y'all could do the same. How was everyone's weekend? Let's talk about it while I get this live sent out. Oh, I had a good weekend. Oh, you went to a concert? Nice. Yeah, did you fall in love with Ella? Is that what happened? Good morning, Thomas. Welcome in, everyone. Sorry, I was just getting the live shared. Welcome, welcome. All right. Live is shared. I am ready to trade with you all. Welcome in, everyone. If I missed saying good morning to you, I apologize. I had to get all the links sent out. Hope you all had a great Father's Day. Good morning, Emma. See what Jaden's saying. Good morning, Team Bull.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Good. Had a nice workout. I was texting the guy surveying one of my pieces of land. He was telling me about a previous job, and it seems like they have a rough job sometimes. The land surveyors, some wild stories. Interested. interesting to
Talk
see
about
that
it.
side of it. Well, right now he's working on a cliffside, 80 acres, most of it's mountainside, cliffside. So they have to go to the top, survey it, and it's got the old type deeds. We're like, okay, it goes from this tree to this stump. So they're having to figure all that out. Trying to make a connection. Get in good with him. How was your weekend, man?
Good.
You had a good Father's Day?
Happy Father's Day. How about you?
Good, man. I watched the USA game on Friday. It was solid.
I put on a little bet for the USA to win too. You see that?
Yeah, I've seen that. Nice. So when is it all over? I'm not even for sure how soccer works completely. I don't watch it enough, but when is when's it end? I have no idea. I tried to find the bet that you placed. I couldn't find it. I was gonna join you.
Plus 3,300 odds. It's a long shot, but you know what? We're gave it a go.
It's about 5 weeks total. Makes sense. Let's see here. What's up, everyone? Welcome in. You want to share the live? QQQ. You want me to tell you what I see on QQQ, huh? Let me take a look. You can see we're gonna have some big resistance up there around 744, 745 area. I wouldn't be going long right at that. Maybe once we break above that, like a retest type setup. But other than that, that's all I see. It's like it wants the upside, but we'll see if we can get past that. I think we've got 4 minutes till market open. I'm not for sure clown fishing. We can trade either or based off setups, but Danny, you talking about point of control on NQ, Danny? I'm sure there'll be a new one, but I see what you're saying right there. I do too. 781. I see it now. Looks good. I'm gonna watch that, Danny. 780 area. We let Team Bull know. I like it because of the clear resistance we've had pre-market, right? Then we finally broke above it. We'll find out if it's new support. All right, Team Bull. I do have a setup. I'm watching. Hopefully, it doesn't just hit right off the open, but 781 area, 780 for a bounce.
And I wanted to see us break and retest that 800, but it happened pre-market.
We got some big resistance coming up on QQQ. I wonder if we can break above it, hit all-time highs again. Good morning, everyone. If I missed you coming in, we had a fun live on Friday. I mean, we didn't trade, but it was fun.
Yeah, how was the market?
It just stayed in range, basically. Wasn't tradable from what I've seen. Maybe one. I mean, the orb hit for a minute, then it sold back off, but wasn't worth trading. Spreads were a little bad there for a minute as well.
Gotta love. Yep, that's what happens. I'm gonna say very patient today. We have no news Monday. Again, I'm in no rush. Take anything as always. We trade smart.
Any questions for me? What is going on? Where is everyone this morning? Good morning, Border Gas. How are you doing? Oh, you're a dog outside. You didn't, yeah, Mark, did you select, you didn't select no activation? Market's open. I just realized. Let's do this, Team Bull. Good luck today, this week. We all make a bag.
All right, everybody, we are live and in action. The market.
Jesus. I am tired this morning. It's all right, though. Hit the workout regardless. I'll get woke up. I don't know why I'm so tired. I actually slept longer than I usually do this morning. Because I ate a horrible meal last night. I blame that horrible meal. It was good, but it wasn't good for me. Can you all share the live real quick? This, like, there's everyone's sleeping this morning. Why not ask? What did I eat? I had a meatball sub. It was okay, but it definitely was not worth the way it made me feel this morning. You just know something bad when you feel it the next day, you know? Probably where I ate it late, too. I mean, I said it was good. I would say it was decent. I wouldn't say good, you know? Good morning, Lance. Your trade base down? Huh. Not sure. Would have some sushi. Is anyone having Tradevate issues? TikTok. Can you run up the likes and stuff?
Do it.
All right. This was the bounce area I was watching, but don't want to take it off the first candle, you know?
Kind of aggressive into the right off the open.
Yeah. So I will wait. How was the hike? I was going to ask you about it.
It was amazing. It was
No.
honestly one of the prettiest hikes I've ever been on.
How long did it take you to complete?
Well, we were chilling. Like we didn't really rush it, and just want to take our time. So it took us how long did we do that hike for, G? 6 hours.
Okay, it must have been a different one.
We were just vibing though.
They was talking about someone was talking about where they thought he was going hiking. They said it took them 14 hours, so it must have been a different trail.
Yeah, for sure. It's only 10 miles. Well, not only, but
10 miles is a decent hike, especially if it's steep, you know?
Gene was vibing.
Telling you, man, hiking is one of the best things. Just to reset. Still think when we retire, Jaden, we do the Appalachia Trail together.
Do it.
We stay out there till we knock it out, you know?
Let's go. We retiring tomorrow or what?
Whenever it happens.
There's that bounce area you liked.
Yeah, it just happened off the 5 minute candle, the first 5 minute candle.
Of course.
Oh, he said he thought he was going to Long's Peak.
Oh, that takes forever. That's a long hike. Hence the name.
Oh well. It's unfortunate on that bounce, everyone.
Damn. Literally rip right off the open. Base ripper.
I think I may have told you a lie, Jaden. Said I'd never buy a new truck again, but I seen the new TRXs that come out next year. I may order one.
Yeah, you like them?
Oh, they're nice. Especially that like shadow edition. It's just some kind of special edition. It was good. 774 stock.
Right at the golden pocket. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, the main watch I had, I really wanted to see us get that first.
I can always tell when Jaden's dealing with something. He's dealing with something this morning. Oh, good morning, Naya. Everything's all right. Good morning, Jeff. Welcome in, everyone. Yep, Danny, I do. Good eye. Let's be honest, though, Danny. That first red candle was a little iffy, right? Like, I mean, I wanted to take that bounce. It looked great. I just hate taking something off the 5 minute candle, especially when it's aggressive sell like that. I added the business chat to Grizzology. I don't know if you all seen that, but that we can start using that. Hopefully, hopefully people don't sleep on it. It could be really valuable. Just learning from other people that have experienced what you're working towards, or have some life experience. Good morning, Sosa. I gotta get us some Tradify accounts to give away. It is time for that. I think so. What is today? What's everyone sipping on this morning? Just have water. Keeping it. I may just stick with water all week. We'll see. I was drinking. Problem is, when I drink coffee, I get carried away and I end up consuming way too much caffeine after I already take my pre-workout of the morning. Drinking some tea, more tea. What else we got? Coffee, lemonade. All solid choices. Excuse me. Nice. Hopefully, everyone took advantage of the Grizzology Father's Day sale over the weekend, or yesterday at least. Had to be the best code ever, though. Yeah, no. There's a full body green candle. Looks like it's going to reverse it. Retracement. See if it just bounces up to 50%. There's no trades to be made here, everyone. We're just talking, watching. If I take something, I'll be very clear, okay? Really want to capitalize on our trading this week. Last week was not it for me. I mean, we had a good Thursday, and the live on Friday, not a whole lot of people showed up, but it was solid. What is going on? Doing work outside. I'm gonna go full size this week. We'll see how it goes. We will see how it goes. Money Mind Easy. It's hilarious. That's what I thought. What did we hit on QQQ? Let me look. So, is QQQ pumping and NQ selling off? Is that what I'm seeing? What is going on? My Robinhood's messed up or something. I was looking on my Robinhood app and it was showing it off. Let me see here. Let me go to TradingView. I was looking on my phone so I didn't have to switch. Huh. My Robinhood's showing delayed or something. It's interesting. Any questions? Anything we should discuss? I'm not sure what's going on with this candle. I don't really see a good entry point if you wanted to try shorts here, you know? Unless you just tried it pre-market high, but I think the best thing we can do is just wait till we get out of this 15-minute range. It is a no news Monday, as Jaden was saying earlier. Hmm. Do something. Get us out of this range, NQ. See if we can get a trade to the upside. Let's buy this candle back up, even though it was higher volume. Oh, are we going up or down? You had to pick, it would be up. Kind of looking like it now. We're holding point of control. We got a week close above pre-market high again. We'll see. Where's everyone checking in from this morning?
Checking in from Jalen's desk.
What's up, Gene?
What up?
Was good, yo. Minus Peter. Chicago, Anaheim, Guantanamo.
Jesus, they're all over.
Yeah, all right.
Nebraska, Oklahoma, Miami, Minneapolis.
There's something wrong with Instagram right now. I've had a lot of friends like can't DM or their accounts get randomly banned.
That happens.
Discord, we're in a safe spot. Same with on the socials. Well, not Instagram, the other socials.
Appreciate you, Austin. You're gonna have to wake me up. Need some dad jokes or something. I had a push day this morning. Didn't go too heavy. I just got in, got through my 4 sets of, each, and got out this morning. Focused on cardio. I didn't even know there's a new one out, Honda. I don't know what's the new uh what is it? Is it Captain of the Universe? Is that the name of it? I want to see that movie. I think that's the name of it. That's the one that used to come on back in the 90s, right? I believe it was. What's up? Good morning, Ashley. How you doing? Masters of the Universe. Yes. Masters of the Universe. Yeah, I don't know why I was saying Captain. I'm gonna watch it. I was gonna watch it yesterday, but I went to the mall and it did not come on. And it was like 4 hours till it came on from the time I got there, so I did not wait. No spoilers. When was it that it used to come out? The show. Sure, what did I miss what you said? Was it 80s? Alright, nice. You slept in this morning? Good. So you feel ready for the week. Well, whenever it was, I watched it in the 90s. Whenever I'm not sure when it came out, people were saying 80, 83. All right, good. What did you miss? We're just talking, just chatting. Nothing's happened. We're stuck in the 15-minute range, but we have plenty of time, so. Good morning, good morning. Real quick, everyone, while we're waiting, if you haven't, hit the thumbs up, the like. I appreciate it. I don't ask too much out of you all. But if you want to trade with us and get funded, um, you don't want to risk your own capital, you just want to try to reach some payouts with everyone else, whatever the case is, go to grizzlytrades.com. I have a complete free guide there for you to understand prop firms if you don't, or maybe you just want to compare some of the best side by side. That's there as well. You can download that. But I got Tradeify, Take Profit, Apex, all great in their in their own way. They have good things about them. Read, pick what works best for you, and use code Grizzly for the discount. People, we run polls on here, and Tradeify seems to be the most beginner friendly from the polls. People like the select accounts and the Lightning funded accounts. Seems like the select is the best seller. So, but the Lightning funded, you can skip the eval process. Straight to funded. More expensive though. He was watching Hulk Hogan fight Andre the Giant in the 80s. Nice. All right, everyone, we're finally making a move out of this range. Trying to. Thomas, you like Macho Man? I used to watch wrestling as a kid, but once I don't know, I just got out of it at some point. I remember once I went with my sister a long time ago. We seen The Rock, Goldberg, everyone. It was like a big match. It's cool. I believe Goldberg was there. I remember The Rock was there for sure. I'm pretty sure Goldberg was too. It's been a long time ago. Share it live, everyone. Hopefully, we catch a trade here soon. It's crazy. It's 2026. What's even crazier? It's almost half over. Or it is half over. Somewhere in there. Though, one thing about it, even though the year's half over, we still got the fall, Christmas time to look forward to. It's my favorite time of year. This holidays, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, hunting season. Good morning. I'm trying to see what happens in this little supply we have here. A small hourly supply. Danny's always trying to get me to hunt more. I need to just listen to him. And did anyone travel for Father's Day weekend? I was curious to how the airports were. If you did, that's the only thing that kept me from taking a trip. It's like, well, the airports may be packed. No, I didn't. There's all kinds of turkeys by my house, though, in this field. It wouldn't be too difficult. All right, Spencer. Appreciate that. Maybe I was just a little overcautious. Where's all the nits at this morning? Am I missing a few? Where's it gonna go? It's gonna fly to the beach. Somewhere warm. Uh oh. I'm so. What do we even do here? It's right at where we're looking for the orb. We got supply. I mean, what do you do in this situation, right? Sometimes it's a tough decision. What you should do, the best thing to do is just not do anything. I hate when we have something confirmed. I love trading supply and demand, but I hate when it's right next to a possible strategy setup. When they fighting against each other. Team Bull, I'm not taking these shorts here. We're too many conflicting signals here. It could go up from the orb. Just letting you all know. Good print, but I'm gonna wait. I want to see if we can invalidate this zone and we catch the move up to that next zone up above 31,050.
We'll see. There's a good chance we don't get anything worthwhile today, but we will see.
Very possible with no news.
Oh, come on. Do something for us.
Why does Grizzology not show any red boxes? You probably don't have this checked here. Go to your settings. Allow overlapping zones. I have that turned on. See if that helps you. You can play around with the settings. You all don't have to use the same ones I use. Whatever you prefer, I go back and forth. Jesse, did that help? Give us something. I'm telling you, I'll take advantage of the free education. Ask any questions or something you want to discuss. Maybe we could talk about the new business chat in Grisology. How we're going to utilize that. Oh, and I'm still having the addition I was talking about is still being built, so still in the works. How important is the delta of the candlestick on strategy? Very important. Candlesticks can lie to you. We all know that now, right? We've been looking at delta for a long time together. But looking at each of these candles, you can look and think you know what's going on, but until you look at delta, you can be tricked easily. It's hard to fool you with delta. I'm not saying it can't be done. What is going on here? That was weird. It's the only chart that was doing it. Alright, bots. Not today. Not today, Satan. Oh, sorry for the yawns. I know they're contagious. You're going to start studying the wheel strategy and starting today? Nice. Think you all would like it. It's not as flashy as day trading, but much more manageable. I hate when the data. Um, I hate when my charts show different data on TradingView. It makes me wonder if TradingView's having issues. I'm having that on 3 different charts. They're showing different things, and I refresh them too. Keeps trying to. Let me check my. I'm gonna pull up my laptop chart, see if it's doing the same. Well, has not invalidated the supply above yet. Interesting. I was hoping it would, you know. I just have a really good feeling about the new business venture in Grizzology. I know I keep talking about it, but I think I think we can do a lot with it. It's the beginning, you know. I think if we work together and get the people that have the experience, you know, some of us with businesses, I think we could all benefit from it. Those day trading money, what should we be doing with it? Either saving it. I mean, sometimes we gotta live, of course, pay stuff, but be making the money we make work. What is the wheel strategy? Jesus, bot. Come on. The wheel strategy is what's the depth on that, Danny? The wheel strategy is an option selling strategy. Basically, find a stock that you like at a price you don't care to hold long term. You want one solid fundamentals. You know, you want to sell these at a price you don't care to hold it, just in case you have to. I mean, that's part of it. You have to sometimes. So you sell cash secured puts, right? Say if you find a $10 stock you like, if you want to sell a 10 put, a strike of 10, you want to sell cash secured put, you have to have enough to cover 100 shares in your account, right? Well, hopefully that gets you started. But the wheel strategies, there's so many videos and information out there. I actually have one on my YouTube. Um, I mean, I know I have one on selling options. I can't remember how in depth I went. I made it so long ago. How do you backtest? There's plenty of platforms out there to backtest on. You can even with AI the way it is now, you can literally create something to backtest on, or you can use Umaris, Tradezilla as a backtesting built in. Not that I'm familiar with how to use it. I just know Umar's a cool guy. Does good, keeps it updated. Or you can do it manually. Something feels off about today. A little different. A little different vibe this morning. Everyone okay? How we doing in chat? I feel like there's just a lot going on, a lot of people right now. If that's the case for you, I assure you, it'll be just a bad memory before long. I know that's a rough way of talking and stuff, but that's got me through a lot of hard times. Also, where is am I missing Nick in here this morning? Am I just not seeing his messages? Okay, good. He's just grinding. Okay, I'll give him one excuse if he's working. I'll give him a pass. Work in Austin. $847. Are we continuing on down here, Danny? Or is this the long entry, man? I'm just this has got me hesitant now. Grizzology's right so far on the demand. Excuse me. Got this flat. Is it just gonna bounce this point of control all day or what? It's all good, Nick. I just checking on you, man. I know you're out grinding, so I gave you a pass today. Lives like he's at the construction site. Very vague. I was like, I mean, what's he doing there? Is he working? You drop him off? What's going on? I'm just playing. Just playing. We in the middle of a true crime in the making. Welcome in, everyone. I missed you. You can't see it on there, champ? It should be in there. Grizzology subscribers, you can see the business chat, right? I added to Grizzology WAP community. Right? I've seen some people react to my message there at least. This business chat. You should be able to search it up, champ. It's in Grizzology, champ. You have to sign. All right. Gotcha. Yeah, Corey. Best code ever, easily. Had so many people cracking up over that. How we doing, TikTok? Everyone awake over here? I don't see any messages. Oh, there's one. Waiting on. Okay. See you, cowboy. What's up, game changer? We have bounced point of control twice in a very short time frame, so I'm not really interested in taking the bounce now. I mean, it could just chop bounce right back up to high day here, but I get a little hesitant trying something that's bounced twice recently and within an hour, you know. Where's Asia low at today? Way down there.
Continuation 2 bar is valid. Is when
See if he's watching anything, but no, I mean, if it continues down here, whatever. But one thing I've noticed, this may be a weird, seem kind of weird, but anytime we have candles like the steady volume like this, it look basically like a stair, and it's especially when pushing up, like we're looking for the orb to confirm to the upside. When it looks like this, a lot of times it just flushes it. I wonder if it's just going to reclaim it here as well. I'm not for sure. I don't know why that works like that, but I've noticed it like 3 times in the past month. Maybe less, maybe even 3 weeks. I don't know if there's some kind of, you know, reason for it or why it does that, but I've noticed it. Especially to the upside. Not studied it as much to the downside yet. I have not taken a trade. We have not. The only thing I liked was when Grizzology confirmed the shorts, but I couldn't take it because it was right at the possible long entry, so I decided to set it out. Unfortunately, Grizzology's giving me FOMO because of that, but cannot cannot go back, you know. Hindsight. So we pushed down to the Asia high. It's gonna be a tricky area as well. Just stay patient. I think we could still catch a trade, but it's gonna make us work for it. You ate terrible over the weekend, sweets. I ate terrible last night. I'm not looking for anything quite yet, everyone's. Let's see what happens here. Got a lot of stuff going on in this area. If you all see a setup, let me know, okay, ahead of time. I want to see what we do at this point at this pre-market low because we have VWAP and pre-market low pretty close together. See if they give me the evals yet for Tradify. The main thing I'm looking for right now until Team Bull as well. All right, Team Bull. The only thing I'm really looking for at this point, possibly an orb to the downside entry, but like a high volume reversal candle reclaim this key levels we're at here. See if we see some sort of setup like that today. Give us a move to high day.
And that move down is insane. Market just decided to die down 300 points. Full port. If it counts.
Can't believe I doubted Grizzology up there. All three price targets, literally. I didn't doubt it, okay? Let me rephrase that. I was just too much conflicting possibilities. Nice. You passed your eval, cowboy? One thing to celebrate this morning. Nice. Some decent volume coming in here. I like it. See if it gives us anything. I'm trying to get us some select accounts for the giveaway. I know you all like the Tradify select accounts the best. I wish I could get some Lightning accounts to give away. I'm not sure they have code for them. Danny, what is this right here? What's the delta? I can't really take an entry here unless we get to like one thing we got to know, everyone. We've sold off a ton here, right? Need to talk to Team Bull as well.
For some reason, I don't fully trust it yet.
I mean, shorts look decent, but we've sold off so much. I hate when we break above pre-market high, then below pre-market low. What are we thinking?
Thinking about it, man. I got my finger on the trigger for shorts, guys. If I do take it, it's going to be with less risk. I just hate that we're potentially going to close this candle back above VWAP. VWAP is 60 points away from our potential risk there.
Jesse, send me some screenshots on Instagram. I'll get you straight, Jesse. I'm sure it's just in the settings, man. Maybe your chart settings. Not for sure.
All right, let's see here. If I do take this, it'll be a less risk on. I hate when we close this close to 50% retracement. We still have a few minutes left in this candle, too.
Jesus.
We might get that confirmation here. We'll see.
What are we thinking right here on this? I know I asked, but I need some more. I need some help here. Do we think we should wait? Or is it worth trying the shorts here and putting our stop at the top of this candle? Should we wait on more of a pullback? Group effort here, remember. Very important that we all remember that.
I really wanted to see this retest up at point of control or this retest up at this 50% retracement of the day. We still might get low a day out of this, but I really wanted to see these previous retests come in. This is technically a valid 2-bar. It's just with how we closed. When we're going to take the 2-bar, I like to see us have full body closes. I mean, technically speaking, it wasn't invalid with this wick because whisk.
All right. So I agree. Shorts look good, but everyone's the majority say more of a pullback. So I'm going with it. That way we're all watching the same thing. Okay. So you're saying more of a pullback. So where would that pullback be to? Let's have exact numbers here. Reasoning. It did have to be Asia higher point of control, right? So point of control to 800 area. Excuse me. CMS, I would say that's not a good market for day trading, you know? That sums up last week. So we're going with 783, seems like. If we get there, looks like we're just gonna sell off here. But if we do sell off here, don't get too down. I have something else I'm watching below. There's quite a ways to it. Is anyone using the Lightning funded accounts with Tradify this morning? Nice. How they going? Kyle, which size did you go with? I like to take note. When I ask these questions, it's for a reason. I just helps me answer people's questions more, you know, better. They're making you work this morning, man. All the bots. Any questions in chat? MJS said we're speechless with this PA. Yes, it's not giving a good entry. Because Ology caught it. And I did not listen. I didn't say you was taking point of control, Jack. My bad. Sosa, honestly, that doesn't make it any easier, does it? Short and all-time highs is tough, especially when it's been strong all overnight. Yeah. Oh, okay. The pullback you suggested. Got it. And it's hard to short at previous day low. Still waiting on this point of control. Still will consider it for a short unless we just have like a crazy volume increase. Like a good, successful trip. Good Father's Day. Good Father's Day trip. Go for the day. It's to eat clean all day. Eat healthy, nutritional food after that meatball sub I had yesterday. Good morning, Artistic. How you doing this morning? No, haven't caught a trade yet. Solid. It's the only way to do it. Have to remove all the stuff sometimes. Well, there's no pullbacks hardly. That pre-market low was the first reasonable pullback I've seen. I just expected more of a bounce because we sold off, what, 300 points or so? I'm locked in this week. It may be boring. I'm not going to take a lot of trades, but the ones I take will be legit setups with room still to move. You know, sometimes you have to consider that once you've made a move so far in one direction. You know. Everyone, I want to say this. I still have not. I don't think it's turned off. It may be. But as of right now, the code I had for Father's Day is still working. Anybody would like to get the annual subscription for Grizzology? It's $150 off, or so $350 per year of Grizzology. If you've been wanting to try it, whenever I get off this live, I will deactivate the code. Just a heads up, if it's even still working. Everyone knows what the code is, right? You heading out? Are you going back to sleep till the baby wakes up? Well, have a good nap. You heading out, me? You got some errands to run? Well, have a good day, okay? I don't see anything right now, everyone. I know it's just made a big move without us. You traded with Grizzology? Congrats. If you listened to me and didn't, I'm sorry. That's all I got to say. What else can I say? It just ripped down. You going on a road trip? It's exciting. Here's the train.
Outs if you wish. And you don't. There's no profit splits. Nothing.
I think you was right on your assumption, pre-market, Jada.
What?
No, not giving us the entry on a Monday.
I liked that entry up at 720. I just didn't pull the trigger. A few pieces I didn't like that didn't line up.
I'm always hesitant to take a position after we've moved it so much a certain way, you know. I'll still watch for a point of control short if something happens. We do push up, or like an Asia low bounce, which is quite a ways off.
Oh, stay impatient, everybody. Got this chart all sorts of marked.
Here's my thoughts, everyone. We've missed most of the short entries, right? We've missed them all, if they've been any possible entries, other than here. I think the main thing we should watch for at this point, I don't think we should chase the downside anymore. Not saying it couldn't print. Um, I think we look for the V-shaped recovery. That's my thoughts. That would be the move. Anytime you see something like this, you catch the high volume reversal candle, as long as it's not 300 points, I think that's going to be the best thing we can look for. I don't think we should try to catch shorts unless, maybe at point of control, but that's quite a ways off, right, at this point. Yeah, I think that's the only thing we really have to watch. I know that's not what everyone wanted to hear, but I think we all can agree this is the best move. If you don't agree with it, let's discuss what you're seeing. Birkin, you think there's more room? Can I ask why? You think that? That's what I was wanting to know. I'm not trying to call you out on the spot. That's what I need some details. See if I can see it. Jeff, it'll move whenever the next highest volume point is made. Because we have room down to Asia low. The thing I hate about today is the massive range, Massive move. All right, good. Good reasons. All right. Let's see if this is the 2 minutes 20 seconds. I'm watching it here, everyone. Volume needs to pick it up. Still watching. Still haven't broke above the this. Excuse me. I'd like to see it higher than the previous one at least, you know? That wasn't the case here. It is tempting to try shorts at pre-market low. It's crazy how quickly NQ can just move through 300-400 points, you know? It's like nothing for it anymore. Look where that 50% is on the day. Right at that range low, huh? Nice history. Appreciate the support, man. $15-minute low looks good for shorts. I was wanting the long entry, but we're just not getting that either here, you know? At least we haven't yet. Yep. 50% retracement is at what's everyone think about that? If we don't actually get the long confirmation here to get catch the move up, how's everyone feel about that area? The range low, point of control to that range low area. It's right here. 756. It may just continue down here. I know there's a chance because that pre-market loan view up above. Has anybody been getting any sneeze new credit cards recently? I had someone asking me about them over the weekend, and I still think Amex is probably my favorite. American Express. Just have to make sure you use them right. I like the cash cards. Credit cards are great if you know how to use them. You don't carry a balance, you know. It's weird Monday. Makes sense. Huh, I've never had no issues out of their support, Claudio. What type of card? Well, you don't have to answer that. I've never had an issue out of their customer service ever. So, you got some work to take care of, Corey? I don't know if I'm gonna catch a trade today. I'm trying to stick around and catch one with you all. So, doing my best. Hope you get the work done, Corey. With no bad luck. Is Apex still 1 day to pass, everyone? Barton just asked. I haven't confirmed this morning. Let me look on my phone. Yes, Apex is currently 90% off right now. 1 day to pass, and you can trade up to 20 accounts linked together through them. That's how I reach my biggest payout. Um, Just go to grizzlytrades.com, click on Apex, use code Grizzly. If you want to read more about them, download my free ebook there before you do any of that. If you have 20, 50K accounts, they're expensive, to buy that many. But if you have 20, you reach a payout 2,000 each. Makes for a nice fat payout. A bear flag. Let's it build on up before breaking, though. It's kind of a weak looking flag so far. You're salping? Let's see. How did your dog ever get Emma? Make a full recovery? You heading out, Austin? I guess you got plenty of work to get finished, huh? Plenty of work. There's always plenty of work to do, I feel like. That's good. You're walking. Of course. I got a meal prep today. I didn't do anything that I needed to yesterday. Did nothing productive, I feel like. Well, I work a little from my phone. I guess that counts. Did not. Say we get them some. I don't know. Is that can they get like something to help support them, help them, move around easier? Is that a possibility? Hoping they would send the Tradify accounts before we ended the live today. I'm trying to get you all some. I'd say it's Monday for them as well. I'd say they're covered up right now. You know? That's good. How long have we been live? 2 hours. We may not have caught a trade, but we have not lost any money either. So if you're starting to feel like you want to force a trade, boredom trade, that's when you gotta lock it down, okay? Just a reminder. Good habits. Focus on building good habits, even on days we don't take trades. Matt, I'm not very knowledgeable on soccer, but I watched the game Friday. Trying to get into it a little bit. I still got some stuff to learn. It's like a miniature bull flag here inside of a possibly larger bear flag. So if that isn't mixed signals. That's right, Harlem. If I had to say a trade right now, I'd say put your stops above pre-market low, shorts. But like I said, I can't force it. I don't want you to take a losing trade. So we've been live for 2 hours. Um, two things you all should watch, or you can watch if you like. Two things I'm going to watch. Let me reword that. Possible short right here, 58 to 780 area. Watch for a short entry there, or if we push down to this Asia low, I will watch for a bounce. Anybody? Oh, I appreciate everyone that uses code Grizzly today. Works for Tradify, Take Profit, and Apex. Yeah, I think that's all I have. Please stay disciplined today. We work very hard in these lives to do things right. Don't go blow it just because you need a trade. But I'll see you back in the morning, okay?